Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a poll in your group created on the linkedin.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and then click on the home button at the top and tap on groups in the left side of the screen. Tap on your groups and click on the group that you have created. Scroll down and here you can find this poll section, so tap on it. And then you can type in your question. And then you can add the options. As you can see, you can add more than 2 options if you tap on this add option button. And here you can set the duration of the poll ranging from 1 day to 2 weeks, and then click on the done button down below to create your poll. Here you can add an additional text to it. You can add hashtags, emojis, pictures, videos, and then click on the post button down below. So here you can find it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.